In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the theme layout editor. So for us to use the theme layout editor, we navigate to the store management section here, select settings. So under the settings, we select themes. So here we'll now proceed and choose the store. So for this example, we are going to edit the default store theme. So to do that, we click here. So here for us to access and customize the theme layout using the layout designer, we go ahead and click on the customize theme button here. So in this page, this is the interactive visual theme editor environment. To access the layout designer, we navigate to the menu section here and select layout designer here. All right, so this is the theme layout designer page here. So as you can see that we are currently viewing the account page. So we proceed to select the home page. So this will open the home page layout, as you can see here. So the theme layout editor is a drag and drop layout editor that allows us to easily add and remove or sub modules that will show in the storefront page. So currently, as I said earlier, we are viewing the homepage layout. So you can see that in the sections here, you can see we have different sections. We have the left column section, we have the right column section, we have the top full width section, we have the top content section, and then we have the bottom content section here. So each of these sections, as you can see, there are active modules that have been added there. Like for this example here, we have the slideshow banner module that has been added to this section here. So let's say we want to remove, for example, the bestseller module here. For you to understand this better, I'll go ahead and close this window. So here you can see that in the interactive environment, we are viewing the home page. So this is the home page in the storefront. So let's say we want to remove this latest products section here that is visible here. To do this, we go ahead and select the menu section here and choose layout designer here. So when we select it, so once it opens, so we wait for the page to load. Once it loads, we go ahead and select the remove option here for the latest product and then save. All right, so now that we've saved, let's close the window. So this will refresh the page. Now you can see that the latest product section is no longer visible here. So we have removed it from the homepage layout. So we can also add other modules. For example, if we want to add a banner to this page, using the layout designer, we come here, we select it. So when this opens, we wait for the page to load. So now that the page has loaded, we can proceed to search for the banner module, as you can see here. So we drag it and drop it here. So once we add it, we click on the edit module button here. So in the edit page, we go ahead and enable the module. Then we can add the banner. So to add the banner, all right. So for this example, we'll add this as the banner. So once we add it, we can also add a link and a content that will show, but we'll not add any of it here. So we go ahead and save. All right, so now that we've saved, We also need to save the layout since we added a new module to the layout. So we click on the save button here as well. All right, so now that we've saved the layout, we close the window. So you can see that on refreshing the theme preview, you see that the banner module was added to the homepage layout, as you can see it here. So this is just an example on how you can use the theme layout designer. So if you come back to the layout designer, you see that when the page loads, all right, as it's loading, so if it loads, you see that we can also customize other pages. So let's say we want to add module to the product page layout. We select it. So here we can proceed to choose, let's say we want to add the latest product module. So we select it, drag it to this section, and then save. All right, so now that we've saved, we close the window. So once the page has refreshed, we go ahead and select a product. So we select this product. So you see that once we select the product, we come here and click on this link to open the product page. So we click here. All right. So in the product page, you can see that the latest product module was added to the top section of the product page. So if we want to still remove this, if we don't want this to show here, come back to the layout designer here. All right. And once the page loads, we come here and remove it and then save the layout. So we close the page. So you see that the latest product module has been removed from the product page. So in this video, I've shown you how to use the theme layout designer. Thank you for watching.